This is Rick from Rick's Daily Tips Tech Blog. Do you find it difficult to hear the audio notifications you receive on your Windows 11 PC? Or perhaps you use your computer in places where complete quiet is expected? If either of those is true, you can make a simple settings tweak in Windows 11 that will replace audio alerts with visual alerts. First, right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Now click Accessibility. In the right-hand pane, scroll down to the Hearing section and click Audio. Now click the drop-down box on the Flash My Screen During Audio Notifications line and select the type of visual alert you want to receive. The options that are available here are pretty much self-explanatory. Flash the title bar of the active window, flash the active window, or flash the entire screen. Whichever works best for you, you can make that choice right here. That's all there is to it. From now on, your screen will flash in the manner you selected every time you would normally hear an audio notification. If you found this tip useful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks a bunch.